Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing some sunglasses that were sent to me for review. They are not paying for this. This is just, you know, trying out these sunglasses, showing you what I think of them. If you like them and you want to check out any of their other sunglasses, I will have their link below, as well as a code that you can use to save yourself some money. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me. Okay, so this first one, and they also have those glasses that you wear for, like, if you're a gamer, they protect your eyes from the electronics or whatever, but I actually have prescription glasses that I wear regularly, so I don't really need those. But I do wear myself some sunglasses, and I like to, I have prescription sunglasses, but I do not like to wear them unless I'm driving, because I have a tendency to lose things, and last thing I want to do is lose my prescription sunglasses. So I love having other sunglasses to wear, like if I'm walking, or if I'm at a beach, or if I'm on a trip, so I'm not as scared if something happens to them. Anyways, so the first pair we got here, of course, the company is SOJOS. So this is the first box here, and they are designed in America and they are made in China. So if that's a thing to you, yeah. So this is how it is packaged. And let's see here. So it comes with this cleansing cloth here. It looks like this is a case too. So let's open that up. Okay, so we got the cleansing cloth and a bag for the glasses. So that is actually really kind of nice. Okay, so let's pull the glasses out. There is this little happy or not card with stuff on here, and there's stuff for you to follow all on here, and the actual glasses. Alright, so there is the first pair. What do you think? I actually kind of like these. So this is a very lightweight, very simple pair. This would be something I'd probably throw in my bag quickly just to have a backup pair. So that is the first pair. Okay, so next comes in this gorgeous box. In fact, the next, they sent me 5 pairs, and 4 of them came in this gorgeous box. Like, I don't really need this box, and I kind of want to keep it just because it's a nice box. I mean, it's sturdy, it's reusable, it's good for all kinds of things. So let's pull this out here. Oops, that's the inside of the box. I'm gonna pull this out because I don't know if I'm going to keep these or not. I haven't decided. Anyways, so this is the case it comes in. I like these triangle ones because they take up less space in your bag. So excited about that. And then it has this little ring here. Don't know what it is, so let's open that up because I'm curious. Obviously it's a tool of some sort. I think this is like the little screwdriver thing for your, yep, for your glasses. So like that. Let's see what the other side is. Yep, you got the flat end. You see that? You got the flat end here. And then on the other side, you have the whatever end, the diamond shaped end. And then right here, it looks like it's got the little bolt thing. So I think that's really cool. I like the fact that it's keychain worthy and all that. So let's go ahead and open these. This is what the inside looks like. Really nice. That's what that is. And then we pull that out and we have that. Okay, so another happy or not card. The nice little bag, which I don't need anymore. Okay, so let's reveal what this baby looks like. Okay, so this was on here. It says polarized tester on here. Don't really know how you use a polarized tester, to be quite honest. Yeah, I don't know how to use a polarized tester. I'm just gonna toss that because I don't know. And these are the glasses. What do you think? Do you like those ones? Okay, so there are those, and that came with one of these as well. Look how nice that's packaged. But that inside we have a cleansing cloth, which I'm going to leave with the glasses so I always have it. It has the emblem on there. Can you see that? So I'll put that in with the glasses so that is always there. I don't know what this is, so let's see what this card is. Okay, so this looks like a lot of stuff I can't read. Okay, protection from the sun, radiation according to European standards. Okay, so it's just basic information, cleaning, all that stuff. So that is that. I'm probably not going to keep that part. So that is my case. That beautiful. All right, so we are moving on to the next pair. Another cool, beautiful case. Of course, opens up exactly the same. Nothing's changed. And that is what that one looks like. And this has another one of these tools, which again, super excited and pumped. Of course, it came up with those and packaged just as beautifully. Okay, that is what these ones look like. Look at that. Oh, those are so cute. Let's see. I feel very fashionable in these. So cute. Okay. We are moving on to the next pair. Packaged just as beautifully. Of course, another one of these with the cleansing cloth and the little card with the information about the sunglasses. And yeah, another happy or not. Of course I'm happy. I got another one of these tools, which super happy about. And then the glasses. So let's see what these ones look like. Oh, you see too much here. See my mess? See it? Okay. Anyways, those are super shiny, super pretty. Love those. Okay, you don't need to see my mess. I've got a mess here. You're gonna see too much. You're gonna see like things I don't want you to see. So those are those. All right, moving on to the last pair. Okay, so again, packaged with this. See, I'm putting the trash on my table too, and you guys just saw that. That's embarrassing. You saw my trash. Okay, anyway, packaged nicely as always. They have this, which, so if you get the really nice ones, they come in these beautiful sunglass cases, and they have these really cool screwdriver things. So let's see what this last magnificent pair looks like. There it is. So this looks like I got the exact same as the other. Let me see, are they the exact same? I do like this pair though. I really do. I think it's super cute. Maybe they're different. Yeah, they're different. One is a brown one and the other is a white one. See if you can see the difference. Just a little different. I do like these though. They're super cute, super fashionable, and I'm excited to be wearing them. Anyways, that is all of these sunglasses, and I'm really excited. These are really nice quality ones. I honestly think that this particular style is probably my favorite. Let me know what your favorite is, and if you like these, again, I have the link below for you and a code so you can save yourself some money. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and otherwise I hope to see you in the next video.